All right, continuation of part one. Part two, the 2021 ProMaster. All right, hold on. All right, after we tie this on up tight, put the sensor on there, lube it up, squeaks. Now it's time to put it back. Got to put these tops back on. These little tops. All right, that wraps up for this one. Now it's time for the other side. Let's fix this. Push this under here just a little bit more. It's metal, you know what I mean? It takes a lot of work. All right. I'm tired. Oh, mechanics, don't fucking torque that shit over 140 pounds, man. PSI. Ain't no way for them damn bolts to be that fucking tight. I'm tired. If y'all missed me on the first part one, we just took off the tire. Now we gotta take these off right here. You know, because we gotta get in the back of here. I don't know if you can see it, but I can't see it either myself, but it's somewhere in there. We just got finished taking out these bolts. Make sure you keep your bolts up now. You don't want to lose them. All right, we had to move these right here off because that's what's locking it in. All right, so now this right here, move it on out. We use this right here. Oh, hey, we're going on. Oof, I'm tired. All right, we use this flathead screwdriver to pry these out right here. Take them on out. Now it's time to